This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
How are you all doing? My name is Tusi, and I was recently watching films and looking at image of some of my favorite spots in Italy. I would like to show you some of my favorite sites. If you enjoyed them, please like and comment. So here are some of my favorite Italian destinations. One of my favorite countries is Italy. Positano, one of the most famous towns on the Amalfi coast is southern Italy. Is about 3 hours from Rome. It's hard to believe this place still exists. Certainly, Positano is a hillside village in southern Italy on the Amalfi coast. It is a well-known vacation spot with a pebble beach flanked with boutiques and cafe and steep, narrow alleyways. Its Chiesa di Santa Maria Assunta has a Majolica tilt dome and a Byzantine icon of the Virgin Mary from the 13th century. Positano is linked to neighboring coastal communities by the Centenario degli Dei hiking trail. Thirdly, Sardinia is a big Mediterranean Sea island in Italy. It boasts a coastline of approximately 2,000 kilometers, sandy beaches, and a mountains interior with hiking paths. Thousands of nuraghi strange bronze-age stone remain shaped like beehives dot its mountains landscape. So Nuraxi in Borromeo, dating from 1500 BC, is one of the largest on oldest nuraghi. Fourthly, Capri, an island in Italy, Bay of Naples, is famed for its rugged environment, high-end hotels, and shopping, which include everything of designer couture to limoncello and handcraft leather sandals. The Blue Grotto, a subterranean grotto where the sea shines electric blue as a result of sunlight entering through an underwater cave, is one of its most recognized natural attractions. Capri's picturesque covered shoreline attract a large number of boats during the summer. Finally, Faraglioni are wave-eroded mound and coastal and marine rock formation in Italian. The word could be derived from the Greek pharaohs or the Latin pharaohs, both of which are linked to the Spanish Faraglione. They can be found along the shores of numerous Italian regions. Subscribe and click the bell button to watch this video daily. Share this video for others to know. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. See you again in the next video like this.